Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Jerry, and in this segment of the top features, I'm going to go over two different modes that are new to the X-A7. One of them is the depth control, and the other is the portrait enhancer. So real quick, whether you're in aperture priority, full manual mode, or even in SR plus mode, you do have access to the depth control. Now this is where, if you're not sure what the aperture will do, that a wide open aperture gives you a broader depth of, or a shallower depth of field rather, this will just ask you if you want more blurred or less blurred. So it's real simple. So right now I'm in SR plus mode. If I hit the little triangle to bring up all my little menus, the depth control is the little one with the little trees and the little silhouette of a person. So you can see here now that there's a slider on the side, and this slider just slides up and down. You can add as much or as little depth as you want. You can also just slide it all the way down, and the camera will automatically determine what depth it is. So if it detects a face, because you're in autofocus, it will then just detect the face and see that it's a portrait and give you a wide open aperture, so a shallow depth of field. The other option while you're doing portraits is the portrait enhancer. So this is up at the top right here, and you'll see here, again, similar slider, and basically it's gonna soften up your portraits to give a softer, more, say, glamour or fashion style looking shot to your image. And it makes your portraits just look that much better. So it's pretty straightforward as far as what those two modes do, and these are also available in the manual modes and in aperture priority mode as well. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more of the top features of the X-A7, and until the next time, my name is Jerry, the Fuji Guys.